In today's video, we are going to talk about the Casio calculator Fx-991CW. You can get this calculator from the description link, which is not affiliated, or you can buy it from your local stationery also. This is going to be the part 1 of the tutorial. We'll cover the basic things. So let's get started. In order to start the calculator, you have to press this on button. Press OK in order to use this calculate function. We have many, like we have distribution, spreadsheet, table, equation, and lot more on downside. So let's go in calculate section. Before getting into the practical example, I would like to introduce you with some of the buttons. Here on the top you can see here we have an arrow button, up arrow, left, right, down, and OK. More, we have up and down arrow to navigate the option more efficiently. Next we have the very useful key, which is shift key. What is the use of shift key and why it is highlighted in such a way? Like you can see, all of the keys are not much pretty as the shift key is. This is because shift key has a useful function that you can see here. We have the number 1, 2, 3 until 9. So above that number, like 8 contain E, 9 contain a particular symbol I, 6C, 5B, and such continue. So in order to use this symbol, we have to press plus shift, and then we have to press the particular number in order to get the symbol. We can see now we have the symbol E here. To cancel it, we can press the cross. Now look at the top of this display. Just focus here on this particular point. If you press shift, then you will see something is highlighted, that is as and a square. So if you press it again, then it will be normal. That indicate your shift is on, and now you can use the shift function. The video might be not so clear according to display because the brightness of the calculator is much lower, but yeah, it's still better and stable video. Let's start with the addition. If you press 1 plus 1, so it will definitely do the sum of 1 plus 1. In order to calculate it, you have to press exe and you will get the calculation as 2. Similarly, you can use the arrow button, like I press left arrow to go on plus sign, and then I will cancel it from here. I can press minus to get the answer as 0. I can press multiply to do the multiplication, and same for division. You can do any operation from here easily.